Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is about making a YouTube channel art. So you can see in my video right now that we already have a channel art here, but these are our old travel photos, and recently Cebu is already under MGCQ, or Modified General Community Quarantine. So we were able to go to a few places few weeks ago. So I'd like to replace our travel photos here. But before we make or update our YouTube channel art, I'd like to share with you first this blog from snappa.com. So they're talking about the best size or ideal sizes for a YouTube channel art. So in this blog, they are suggesting the 2560 pixels wide by 1440 pixels tall. So we're going to use this size, and the good thing about this blog is that they already have this image here, which we can use, which we will actually use today in making our channel art. Your channel art would look different on TV, on a desktop, a laptop, tablet, and on a mobile. So we're gonna work more on the text and logo safe area. And you can save this picture by right clicking on it, save image as, or copy image. So I already saved that before we started this video. And also going back to our channel, so you can see only this one here right now because I'm using my laptop, but the main file is here. So here it is. So there are a lot of travel photos here, but you only saw this part. All right. So let's start making our new YouTube channel art, or just actually updating the photos and maybe add a little more elements here. And we are going to use canva.com. So it's here. I already opened it in another tab. If you don't have an account yet in Canva, go ahead and start creating an account because it's just for free and there's just a lot of templates to use here for social media, for business even, and marketing, and a lot more. They also have a 1 month free trial for the Canva Pro, so you can go ahead and try it. And if you'd like to continue it, you may. But if you'd like to continue the free account, then no problem, because it's just really nice, because even if you are using just a free account, you have a lot of resources already. Okay, so are you ready? Let's start. First thing that we need to do here is to create a design. Just click and you can search for YouTube channel there. Even if you're not yet done typing, it's already suggested here. And the size is 2560 by 1440 px or pixels. And that's the same size here. So this is right. Let's click. And the first thing that I usually do when making a design here is to name my design. Don't forget that, it's very important. So let's name it Inato Adventures New Channel Art. Okay, and then you can just press enter or just click anywhere here. There are a lot of templates here that you can use if you like, but I want to use the image that we got here, this one, as our guide. So I'll just go to uploads, and then you can upload media, or you can upload that photo by clicking upload media. And then you choose where you saved that photo, and just choose device and find where you saved it. So it's here, and you can click open. Just wait for it to finish loading. Okay, and then I'm just gonna put that here. So when you just drag right away, it's like this. But what I want to do is to click on elements and then go to grids. And I usually use this grid because if you just click it and drag it here, it's magic like that. And you can go back to uploads and choose this photo, and there you go. It's very easy, so that's why I usually use this element here, the grids, or sometimes the frames. But again, this time we use the grids. I'd like to focus more on this area because this is safe for all devices. And a lot of people nowadays are using their mobile phones to watch videos and use YouTube. So let's try it. So one thing that I'd like to do also is to use the ruler so we can have a guide. Let's go to File and let's show rulers. All right. So let's have this one here. There. Just click, hold, and there. And let's make it bigger. All right. And this one here. There. And maybe a little bit here. Okay. You can adjust. So I want to see everything. So I'll just make it 25%. And like I said, grid is an important element. So just click that and then adjust. Click it again. Adjust right here. Click it again. Click it again. Adjust. Do the same thing for all the others here. Here. And let's add some more. Have this one here. I think you can copy this, Control C, Control V if you're using Windows. Since they have just the same size, you can also just copy directly all the three boxes here. So click and then hold the Shift key on your keyboard. Then click here, click this one also, and then copy or Control C and then Control V. So click, hold, drag over here, and then release. That's it. So I'm also gonna have one more grid for this part here. There you go. All right, so I want to use the same background color here. So I'll use white. So you can choose all the colors that you like here, but I'd like to stick to white because we're going to use our logo here. So let's go back to uploads. Before we started this video, I already uploaded our logo and some of the travel photos that we are going to use here. So let's start with the logo. Now look what happened. You can see the image that we just uploaded earlier. So what we can do is to Control Z or redo. And then let's go back to elements again. And this time we can use frames. Just have this round frame. Click and go back to uploads where you have your photos and click and drag here. And see that the background color is just still white. So now we can adjust this one here. Maybe here. All right. I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger. And I wanna use, so I have your new video every week, but sometimes I'm so busy, I cannot edit some videos. So I will just delete this part and I'll just still use the subscribe button. So let's go to the elements. You can search here, say subscribe. There are a lot of options here. So this is under a pro account, but do not worry because there are also a lot of free elements under the free account, like this one. So it's just free. But I want to use the red one. I think I would like this one. Right? And adjust. You can adjust by clicking on any side and then hold it like this. So I want to have it here. I can maybe make it bigger like this. And I want to also add this one, this notification bell right here. So it's just black, but I want to use our brand colors. So here, let's adjust. You can rotate the elements, maybe like that. I'm okay with that. And it's time to put some travel photos here. Let's go to our uploads and let's see, maybe this one and maybe here. Can have this one here. What else? Maybe here. This and this and this. Now that we have all the travel photos that we need, it's time to adjust the photos. If you want to adjust the placement of the photo, you can just double click it. You can make it bigger like this, or you can just adjust it a little bit like what I want to do here. And this one's okay for me. This one, I want to make it bigger here. Maybe like that. And this one also, because you cannot see Tyler's face here. Let's adjust that. So this is the guide here. There you go. And this one, let me adjust also. I'd like to just have until here. Let me see. I think that's fine for me. There. And here, this is also okay maybe. Oh, let me see. I want to show his slippers, so there. And here, this is perfect for me. So happy here. And this one, I want to make it bigger and show his tummy here. Maybe that. So yeah, I think this is fine for me. I'm ready to upload this new and updated YouTube channel art on our YouTube channel. And for you to save it, you just go to download, click this arrow down here, and it's best to save the PNG file. So let's download. Just wait for it to finish. Here, but I want to save also a JPEG file or JPG file. It's smaller, and in case YouTube won't accept, the PNG file because maybe it's big. So let's save JPEG file ahead and download. I usually save these photos in my downloads folder here. So we have the JPEG file and the PNG file. So I'd like to transfer that to new channel art folder. Here you go. And let's try to go back to our YouTube channel. All right, and it's time to change it. Let's go to customize channel. let's go to branding, and you'll be able to change that image here. This is a banner image. This will appear across the top of your channel. When you already have an existing channel art, you can see the word change here and then remove. But I'd like to show you how it looks when you don't have an existing channel art. So let's remove this first, and then let's publish. And let's view our channel again. So see, this is just how our channel looks like without a YouTube channel art. So it looks sad because you cannot see any pictures here. So I really suggest for you to start making your own YouTube channel art now. If you don't have one yet, it's really effective. Even if we only have 145 subscribers right now, I think the channel art would help a lot. Now, let's say you don't have a YouTube channel art yet. So all you need to do is go to Customize Channel, and then again, we go to Branding. We go to Banner Image, and now you cannot see the word change and remove anymore because we don't have an existing banner anymore. So what you can see is the word upload if it's your first time to upload a channel art. So let's click that and locate your file. So we will try to use the PNG file first. Open. So you can see that it has an error saying try adding file lower than 6 MB. So let's upload again and let's use the JPEG file, which is a smaller one. Let's open that. There you go. Right now, this is what it looks like if you're watching videos, YouTube videos on TV. You can see all the travel photos. Here, if you're watching it on a desktop or a laptop, you can see this in this, there, that part. And here, if you are watching YouTube videos on a mobile, and it even says here it's viewable on all devices. So here, but on mobile, you can just see this one here. So I'm okay with that, and I want to click done. So after that, we can now go ahead and publish our channel. Wait for it to save, and then the changes has been published, so we can go back to our channel now. And there you go. So new photos. This is just a few weeks ago, and this was last November. Here we have a notification bell already, and our subscribe button has changed. So I'm done, and I hope you can now start making your own YouTube channel art. And that's all for today, guys. I hope I was able to share something important to you and something that you can use in your own channel as well. And if you like this video, please do support us by clicking the subscribe button. And if you like also more videos, you can just go to our videos here and check it out. We have a few other videos here that might be interesting to you. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for today, and we will see you again on our next video. Bye bye.